Guys, check out this view.
最起来100多。
这搬这2包好吧？
弟弟，热的冰的，
冰的都冰的。
We're eating taro balls with shaved ice. 外婆，妈妈，say hi. Yeah, it kind of does. Looks stupid.
加地瓜粉就会做出。
This is way better than meat fresh. Green tea.
Ever say me? She just made.
Smile. Guys, look at this waterfall. Waterfall. What is it called?
黄金瀑布 Gold Waterfall.
This is the whole parasol.
还没有人会掉这里。
Alright guys, now we're gonna eat lunch and we're eating at a seafood restaurant and it's so crowded here. But look at this seafood. How do you feel that we're gonna eat this?
It's kind of cool.
I'm a little scared to eat them now. Because earlier this guy just like, he got it and he threw it on the ground, this lobster. And then after he threw it, he stepped on it. But like, they taste good, so. Just kelp or seaweed. Squid in fried rice. It looks so weird. Guys, the crab cake. It's so juicy. I don't know what this is. And then they sent us this for free. Guys, we absolutely beasted everything.
这么大，
So big.
要去干嘛？
Okay guys, now we're at a waterfall. It's just from Pupu, so 10-minute waterfall. It takes 10 minutes to get there. This bridge is very shaky. Whoa! Whoa!
Don't drop your phone.
Oh my gosh. It's so big. Look at this mango. So big. Guys, look! This is so cute. It's so hot.
Where are you going?
Waterfall. We made it. Oh, we're going back. I just can't stand this. It's too hot. I don't know what this is called in English. Watermelon? Just kidding, it's called wax apple. We're picking our grandma up from the store and she made more friends with the people in the store. Now we're gonna light lanterns. I don't know if you can see those little specks in the sky. Oh. Guys, this is how hot it is that my aunt's shirt is like that. And mine too. Mom, what are you writing on your lantern? 大家.
I can read that.
Yeah, you could. What is? Okay, read the next word then. What's
I don't know
this?
this one. I don't know this one.
Sun. It's body. Okay, Bob, what did you write?
3子等着3个小孩子读圣诞大学啊。
Okay. Amen, bro. My mom wants to win the lottery. Powerball. Never mind, my dad. Mom, what'd you just say? Stock. She wants her stocks to go up. Alright, now we're gonna eat dinner. It's raining a little bit. Oh look, this place is pretty. I'm honestly not that hungry right now, but I think I'll be hungry once I see the food. Stinky tofu. That one's spicy. I think we ordered too much. Oh my. I showered again and now we're packing. It's because we're going on vacation. Or not, we're already on vacation. We're going to TAIWAN, right Mom? Yeah, another night of juicy mangoes. So juicy, look at this.